Hi, today in front of me Realme 9 Pro Plus, and I'll show you how to enable or disable silent mode on this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see sound mode section, and just to activate silent mode you should switch the ring one to the silent one. Now we can see that our ringtones and notifications, they are muted, so this means that the silent mode is activated. If you wanna turn it off, by the same way switch silent mode to the ring one. Also we got one more way how we can do that. Just by slide to the left side ringtone volume panel, now we can see that the silent mode automatically is activated and now it's turned off. So one more way how we can do that, open the control panel. You should see here the ringtone icon somewhere. Just to activate the silent mode, click twice to the ring icon to switch it to the silent one. By the same way we can just turn off silent and to activate the ring mode. And the last way how you can do that, you can just press up or down volume button. You'll see here this bell icon, click to bell icon, now it's switched to the cross bell, so this means that the silent mode is activated, and by the same way we can just turn off the silent mode and activate the ring one. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.